All our Chunky Gazebo posts have a thickness of 120mm, making them one of the sturdiest on the market. To give the posts a distinctive look and mask the joints, we router grooves into them, which reduces the likelihood of the timber twisting. This range of gazebo is constructed with thick 19mm tongue and groove roof boards and heavy-duty 140mm purlins, meaning the Chunky Gazebo is able to take on typical British weather. To increase the longevity of the Chunky Gazebo, all the framework is pressure treated as standard and is guaranteed for 10 years. The pressure treatment will reduce the likelihood of any rot and insect infestation and requires less seasonal maintenance. We only use slow-grown spruce timber for our gazebos, a very high-quality timber which provides you with a more durable and dense structure, meaning fewer knots, splitting, warping, or leaking sap. All our Chunky Gazebos come in full lengths of timber for a quicker build, less bolting and fixing, and a sturdier garden structure overall. With a tall walk-through height of 6'8", there is no need for your guest to duck their way under the gazebo. Gain a little more privacy or protection from the weather by adding customizable wall panels to the Chunky Gazebo. There are 3 types of panels: half-height panels, full-height panels, or half-glazed panels. Alternatively, you can purchase a walled gazebo rather than an open one. Protect your Chunky Gazebo roof with superfelt or bitumen shingles. Applying this to the roof of your gazebo will offer an attractive, durable and high-end finish to the structure. Add an optional guttering kit to the Chunky Garden Gazebo to help reduce water build-up during heavy downpours. For a more private and closed area, all our Chunky Gazebos can be purchased with wall panels and balustrades. The balustrades add style and grandeur to the gazebo. Why settle for second best when you can have a Dunster?